Hello, I am Tarun and welcome back to another episode of Kashhero. And today I'm going to show you some good conductors and insulators of electricity. Insulators are bad conductors. So let's get started. Here I have some materials to show which are good conductors of electricity and bad conductors of electricity or insulators of electricity. So now let's start. This is a plastic toy and this is a metal rod, a graphite lead, a paintbrush without the brush, a wooden stick, and a eraser. So now let's start with the paintbrush with wood. So let's put these aside and let's see this. This just has to touch the metal. When the metal touches the wood, the light bulb is not lighting up at all because wood is an insulator of electricity. So now I just have to take this off and take this off. And let's see a metal rod. So the light is on. That means when this metal touches this, the light is on, which means this is a metal rod is a conductor of electricity. So now I just remove this and start with this. So when the metal touches the eraser, it's not lining up so the eraser is a bad conductor of electricity, aka insulator. But if I touch the metal, the copper, it's a good conductor. If I put this again, but then when I put this again, and when I touch the metal, the copper, it's lining up. But if I touch the eraser, it is not lining up. Because eraser is a bad conductor of electricity. It's an insulator. Why is it touching? So then we are connecting to this. So this is we're connecting it to plastic. This is a closed circuit, but it is not. The light bulb is not on because there's plastic, and plastic is an insulator of electricity. So now we can remove this. Yup, and remove this. Yup, and so finally we have graphite leads. This I've been all waiting for this. It's an open circuit, and so because this metal thingy is not touching the graphite pencil lead. So when I touch, see, I didn't connect any metal. This is not metal. This is graphite. This is a metal rod. This is graphite. See, this is a thing that was in, but so the electricity is flowing through the graphite, which means it's a conductor of electricity. But heat is also generating, so that means the graphite will melt. So when I remove this, it's gone. When I put this there, so yes. And this is all I have for today. This experiment, guys, you can see which is a good conductors and bad conductors. And yes, you can try this with different types of metal. I know this is a conductive metal, but I don't know what type of metal this is. So, yes. Okay, now I found this really awesome, and I enjoyed it so much. And before, I used to hear only about bad conductors of materials, good conductors of materials, insulators, conductors, circuits, switches, bulbs, and all those things. So, yeah. And now I found this experiment, and it changes my knowledge about metals and materials and electricity. It really showed me that the things that are good conductors of electricity and insulators or bad conductors of electricity, and also it gave me knowledge about circuits. But you can also try it with different types of metals and see how it comes. So this is the end of today's episode, and bye. We'll catch you next time.